Hi guys, hello everybody, and today I want to pick this lock and to get him. This is new RB, new lock from Rav-Bariach. This is not difficult lock, but this is new lock, and I think about some elements here about K-pins. Very interesting for me to see what kind of pins have K-pins. So this lock have seven, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins, and his K-way looking so, and have different opening this new and one model before have different picking level of difficult, yes. So we try now. We see normal. Just a moment. I want everything will nice. You nice. Okay. Just a moment. Little tension more I need. Very little place I have here. And okay, this ask, but I want to make something another. Okay, now ask something here, and this is very difficult when ask pin to out tool and to put him. This is second mushroom. Just a moment, and what we have here. Seven. Very high pin. And nice. So now we try to get this lock. Okay. Oops. Very heavy. Yes. Okay. And now I want to just a moment. Good. Nice. And now I think maybe we have maybe, I'm not sure, but I think maybe we have here K pins, I don't know, special pins, not standard. Just a moment, little out, nice. And where are you? here. Oops. No. Don't move. Okay. Sometime this is wheel here, and now this is first. No. Oh, just a moment. Feels nice. Second. Third. Yes, I was right. I see this now. I see second, number 5 and number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, special, I was right. Oops. And my cat, my dear cat, in every place. And pin number 6 standard. So 2 special pins, how I think before. And now boom, driver pins, mushrooms, and standard well. This is I understand. Oops. First, second spool, third, and after will spool, I think. No, standard, and spool, and standard, and spool. No, standard, sorry. So we have just two we have just two spool and spool, but what was interesting for me, this pin and this pin, and I was sure this is no, I don't know how in English language form of this pin, but this is what I think before, so I was right, and this is very, very good. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day, everybody. Bye bye.